Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have something special for all you audio enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of speaker wires, and we've got the best 12-gauge speaker wire on the market to talk about. Say hello to the Kinter Cable 100 feet 12-gauge audio stereo speaker wire. If you're setting up a home theater, hi-fi system, surround sound, or car audio, having the right speaker wire is essential for delivering high-quality audio. The Kinter cable offers a remarkable solution, and here's why it's the best in its class. First off, let's talk about the key features and benefits of the Kinter Cable 12-gauge speaker wire. This cable boasts an impressive 100 feet of heavy-duty 12-gauge wire. That means you have plenty of length to set up your speakers exactly how you want. The 12-gauge thickness ensures that you get optimal power transmission for crystal clear sound. What sets this speaker wire apart is its high strand count, a whopping 105 strands. This feature enhances conductivity and overall performance, ensuring that your audio signals are transmitted without any distortion. The Kinter cable makes installation a breeze with its clear PVC jacket marked with a red polarity stripe. It's quick and easy to distinguish the positive and negative sides, eliminating any guesswork. While some might worry about CCA, rest assured that this wire is of excellent quality. CCA combines the conductivity of copper with the lightweight benefits of aluminum, making it both efficient and cost-effective. Kinter cares about convenience and the environment. The wire comes on a recyclable spool, making it easy to dispense and store. No more tangles or mess. Installing the Kinter cable is a straightforward process. Simply connect your power amplifiers and receivers to your speakers using this wire. It's flexible, soft, and offers an unobtrusive appearance for a clean and organized setup. Now, let's take a moment to compare the Kinter cable with an Amazon Basics 16-gauge speaker wire, which is another popular choice. While the Amazon Basics option is a good choice, it's worth noting that the Kinter cable offers a higher strand count, making it an even better choice for audiophiles looking for top-notch performance. So, there you have it, folks. The Kinter Cable 100 feet 12-gauge audio stereo speaker wire is undoubtedly the best choice for your audio setup. Whether it's for your home theater, hi-fi system, surround sound, or car audio, this wire has you covered. If you want to experience distortion-free, high-quality sound, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Kinter cable. Don't settle for less when it comes to your audio experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.